Bears, guess where I am? You're right, I am at Beardsley. We wanted to make this a special Friday for you and show you your school because I'm sure many of you are missing it right now. But before we get started, let's start with our flag salute. So everybody please stand. Put your right hand over your heart and we're going to show you the view of the beautiful mountains as we say it. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So as I mentioned, today we have a special treat, and guess who's with me? You're right, Miss Mata. We were passing out some extra materials today and thought this would be a perfect opportunity to film for you. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have Miss Mata say hi. She's gonna flip the camera. Bear with us as we're working with this camera, and we're gonna start walking through our school. I don't know how to flip it. That's okay. Miss Mata's behind the camera. So we're gonna take you today on Friday through our school campus, a walk through our school campus. So as you remember, here is our entrance, and we are super excited to walk with you. We're gonna show you the wings in the classrooms. We're gonna show you our blacktop, and then we're gonna send over to our garden and have a send-off. So let's go ahead and get started. We are opening the gate. Come on in to Beardsley Academy.
Oh, there's no car. What car? You didn't see a car.
There's our cafeteria. I want you all to remember what it looks like, and I want you to remember that this is still going to be here. After we get through this and we come back together, you're going to be able to come back to our campus and show your Beardsley pride. So let's go ahead and walk down this way. As you can see, everything's well. Everything's doing good. We have our volleyball courts. We have middle school. I can picture all of you right now sitting over there on those benches. I almost can name where everyone will be. I see the red bench. I know some of you that love sitting there too. So here we go. We're going to continue walking. We can play an I Spy game. Do you spy your classroom? What rooms are we coming up to? You're right, Miss Torres, Mrs. Posner, and Mrs. Egelhorn's classroom. Wave to them. Say, we'll be back, guys. We'll be back.
That's my hand. That's Miss Mata's hand because I don't know how to turn the camera around.
I'm going to switch so Miss Mata can share with you our next I Spy.
Hi, everybody. All right. Who misses Mr. Green and Miss Moniz and Miss O'Donnell?
Say hi. And over here we have Mr. Ellison and Miss Martinez and Mrs. Rubio, Miss Gomez Roman. See, everything looks great. Everything. And we're gonna come over so that we could, there you go. See, it's all clean and ready for you to come back. Just continue to be safe. Miss Mata and I are staying 6 feet apart. We have our masks on, but we just wanted to show you that everything is going well here. And here we come up to our garden. Oh yes, you're right. You remember playing in there? If you close your eyes, just pretend and bring that memory back. It will be here too when you get back. And here's our amphitheater. And if you close your eyes right now, you can pretend that we're all sitting in this amphitheater, listening to both Miss Mata and myself.
We miss you all. We wish you were all here, but we're imagining you guys sitting here with us as we lead our ceremony, our flag ceremony.
And now we're gonna come on over, and you can see from a distance, we have Miss Mullins' room and Miss Mesner and Miss Reinhardt. We have OT in the speech room and the beloved library. So I'm gonna pass it over to Miss Mata, and we're gonna continue our journey this way.
Let's go. Where are we going now?
We're
Whose
gonna go
classes are we
over-
going to see?
Well, we can't forget we have Mr. Arenas, we have Miss Minardi and Mrs. DeMeyer's music room, Miss Soto. Oh, and I spy some other rooms. Who could they be? You're right. We have Miss CK and Miss Kate and Miss Luna. Can we say hi, guys? We love
Hi,
you,
teachers.
classrooms.
We miss you.
And I promise you, if you just close your eyes, it'll be like you're here right now. And now, guess what wing is next? You're right. You're right, all of you kinder and some first graders. We have Miss Neal, Miss Shear, and Miss Martinez's room. Doesn't it look great? You can still see some of your work in the windows.
I even see some jackets. Who left their jackets here?
Oh, you're right, Miss Mata. Oh, somebody's room's coming up who's very special. Guess who? You're right. Da-da-da-da. Miss
Oh, let's see
Mata.
if she's here. Oh, wait, let's see. Oh, she's in the window. Hi, Miss Mata.
And then, last but not least, oh no, we have one more. You're right. Who we spy? We spy Mrs. Bayer, Miss Kono, Miss Olmos, and Miss Chu.
Hi, first grade and TK.
And let's not forget Miss Bernice's health office. Oh, there's another office coming. And last but not least, we want to make sure we share our kindergarten playground. And we can't forget our preschool, Miss Hannah and Miss Mariela. So let's wave to our kindergarten playground, preschool playground, and classroom. So boys and girls, we hope that you enjoyed our virtual tour. We hope to be able to show you the classroom soon, but we wanted to make sure that you got to see Beardsley and that it was okay. Make sure you continue to wear your mask, you continue to wash your hands, and you continue to stay 6 feet apart. We miss you guys, and hold on because we will in just a bit do our chant. So hold on. Hi, we are back today. We hope you again enjoyed our virtual tour. It was super exciting to do that for you. Are we 6 feet apart? I think so. So we're okay to do this. Boys and girls, guess what time it is? And I am touching my mask way too much. Sorry. It gets really hard to talk in it. But it's that time. You're right. So, everybody, touch the sky. Reach, reach, reach. Stand on your tippy toes. Oh, yeah. And touch your toes. If you can. I have to bend my knees. And stand up. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And roll your head. Don't roll it too much because it might fall off. And the other way. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? And one more time. And hey, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Boys and girls, make it a great day. Make it a great weekend. The choice is yours. See you next week. Boys boys and girls, we have one last announcement. Guess what next Friday is? It's May 1st, and that will be our Student of the Month Assembly for the month of April. So your teachers are submitting names to Miss Mata of those students who have, we went to the P, who have been showing pride in yourself and your school. That means you've been checking your work, you've been communicating with the teacher, you've been listening to your parents at home or those helping you, and following the schedule that they have set for you. So teachers may be reaching out to parents or family members who are helping you, because they are going to determine who has pride in themselves in their school for this month, for the month of April. So we will see you next Friday, but can't wait for that fun celebration. Take care, and again, make good choices, because the choice is yours.